Dolphin by Gil Lewis, Chapter 24. In chapter number 23, we saw that Kara had a dream in which she saw her mother, and after that, in the same night, she goes to the ocean and guides the white dolphin. She finds white dolphin there, mother dolphin, and guides her to the blue pool. Kara, after guiding mother dolphin to the blue pool, returns home and quietly goes to sleep. He is woken up in the morning by Daisy, who touches Kara's hair and inquires her why her hair were wet. Kara looks at the heap of her wet clothes that were lying near her bed and realizes that she had actually led mother dolphin to the blue pool and it was not a dream. Kara excitedly tells Daisy that mother dolphin has returned back. Both get ready for school and come downstairs to have breakfast, where Uncle Tom was sitting disappointed and heartbroken as he had not been able to catch enough fish, and Doggy Evans had threatened him to fire him from job. Kara and Daisy leave home for school, but instead of going to school, they head towards the blue pool. Felix and his father were already there. Carol impatiently informs Kara that mother dolphin has returned. Kara does not show that she already knew about it. Daisy is still mad at Felix and does not talk to him. We know the reason why Daisy was mad at Felix, since we have seen that Felix had called Daisy fat fairy godmother when they were having ice cream at Mrs. Zigny's ice cream parlor. So she was still mad at Felix and she was not talking to him. Kara asks Felix if he could read what was inside the memory stick. We had seen in previous chapters that Kara had handed over her mother's memory stick to Felix and requested him to find out what was inside the memory stick. Felix tells her that he could not, as the memory stick had a password and he had tried to apply as many passwords as he could guess of. Kara offers the vet Sam to help calf dolphin balancing on the raft, which vet does not allow for. Daisy suggests that the calf dolphin should be named Angel, and everyone agrees to it. Now we are going to do some question answers from chapter number 24. First question is, why did Daisy name the calf dolphin Angel? What made her suggest this name? We have already seen that Miss Penluna, the bird lady, had told Kara that dolphins are angels. So that made her think that she should name the calf dolphin Angel. But what made her suggest this name at that moment? When they were talking about naming the dolphin, they saw the bird lady around, and that made everyone agree that they should name the white dolphin Angel. As Kara tells everyone that bird lady believes that all the dolphins are angels. Second question is, why was Uncle Tom upset? What Uncle Tom had threatened him of? Doggy Evans, in fact, has threatened him. Uncle Tom was upset because he could not catch enough fish the last night. He tells Aunt Babe that there were French boats in the area. That's why he could not catch enough fish. And Doggy Evans threatens Uncle Tom that he is going to find a new skipper for his boat and he will be firing Uncle Tom off.